Good afternoon, everyone. I am Ananya.
I am Sakshi.
We are studying in 7th standard, and today we are here to present the working model of sewage treatment plant. Cities and towns have sewage systems in place to carry the wastewater from our homes, hotels, factories, and other establishments where the wastewater is treated.
The treatment of wastewater goes to the different stages. The wastewater is treated to remove the physical, chemical and biological contaminants present in it through various processes. Bar screen is pre-treatment process.
And grid tank is primary treatment process.
Bar screen involves the sewage being sent through the grids or vertical bars that can remove the large solid substances such as metal cans, plastic, papers. Then the sewage flows to the grid chamber.
Then in the grid tank, the sand, pebbles and soil settle down at the bottom. The sewage flows from grid tank to the sedimentation tank or settling tank.
In sedimentation tank, the wastes are allowed to send such as soaps, oils and grease. The material which settle down is called sludge. It is removed by scraper. The floatable material at the top is called scum. It is removed by skimmer. In every few days, the wastewater that is left out is called clarified water.
And next comes to secondary treatment process. Aeration tank and clarifier involves in the secondary treatment process. This process removes the biological or organic wastes, and this is done by transferring the clarified waste into an aeration tank where the air blowers bubble air which helps the aeration to grow and feed organic contaminants such as food waste, feces and other organisms. Then this mixture flows from aeration tank to the clarifier.
Activated sludge in the primary process and in the secondary process goes to the digester where anaerobic bacteria is decomposed and biogas is produced. In this process, it can be used as fuel or can be used as electricity. Then it goes to the sand drying bed.
Next comes to tertiary treatment process. The leftover wastewater is treated with chlorine to remove the phosphorus compound, nitrogen compound and bacteria. This is chemical process. Chlorine tablets are added to kill these germs. This process is called chlorination. Then this water is left off to the water bodies. Thank you everyone.